In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the gender of your Bitmoji on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Snapchat. After that, tap at your Bitmoji, and then right here, tap at that gear to go to settings. After that, select Bitmoji. Here, as you can see, I have a Bitmoji and it is actually male now. However, let's say I want to change it to girl. It is very simple process, and first off we need to hit right here to remove our Bitmoji, and then if we tap right here we'll be able to create new one. And first off we can select our gender. Then we can customize it, we can select different skin tone, we can then select hair color, also hairstyle. All these tools we can use to customize our Bitmoji, and then to continue and to save it, just hit right here. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.